guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a small haul for you coming from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and Walmart. I didn't get a lot, but what I did get I really like, so I thought you might enjoy seeing it. So let me show you what I picked up. First of all, let's just do Walmart, just to get it out of the way. It's really small, I only have one thing from Walmart. But I picked this up. I love this paper. They have paper there. You can for scrapbooking, and I use it in my planner or like for pocket letters, something like that. It's really nice, and this is like, I think it's $5. And let me just show you what you get. They're beautiful, and they're double-sided. I love them, and you get multiples of each. But I think they're so vibrant, so pretty, and they coordinate together so nicely. I just love them. But you can see these, they're really, really pretty. You could do a lot with that. I can see a lot of beautiful pocket letters or spreads. I mean, don't forget Walmart when you're looking for your paper, because they do have beautiful paper there. And they have a lot of different colors in this one. They have the blacks and then the more vibrant colors. So I thought this was a really good deal. And I'm glad that I picked that up. So this one, and it's just the modern Millery, okay? So I picked that up at Walmart. Then my next thing, I guess I'll just go to Hobby Lobby. I picked this up. They had all of their galvanized items 40% off. So this one was regularly $9.99, and I got it for $5. So I thought that was a really good deal, and I'm gonna do a DIY with that. And then I picked these napkins up there at Hobby Lobby. They were regularly $5.99, and you get quite a few. You can see here how many. And I just love the pumpkin. They were 40% off as well, so I paid $4 for these. Normally I go to Dollar Tree, but from what I've seen from my Dollar Tree, I'm not that fond of the napkins that they have out this year. Maybe they'll put out some more, so I wanted to get these. But I love the little pumpkins and the swirly, and I'm pretty sure that it's double-sided, so I love that. And then the next place is just Dollar Tree. So let me show you what I have there. Oh no, I picked this up at Michael's. And I don't know if I showed you this or not, but I thought I would include it. I got this probably 3 or 4 weeks ago. I was in there, and I just loved it. It just looks so pretty for fall. Like I said, and this is not double-sided, but I wasn't sure if I'd shown you this or not, so I wanted to go ahead and show you. I haven't worked with it, I know that, but I just really liked the pages in here, especially for fall. And you could do a lot of pocket letters and planners with this. And I don't guess it would have to be fall, but to me it has more of a fall feel. So I really liked this. And this one is just Little Wildflower is what this one's called. So now we will go to Dollar Tree, okay? So I just picked up another one of these frames. I try to keep a lot of frames on hand in case I want to do something, and it's an 8x10, and it just looks like the faux wood, and it just has gold right around through here. But I have an idea what I want to do with that. And then I found some more washi, and I love Dollar Tree's washi. So this one I hadn't seen before. It looks just like just different cacti. I guess that's the plural for cactus, but it has a lot of different of those, and I just think it's so pretty and colorful. And then this is just blue, like a teal and a white striped, and I really like that one. I hadn't seen that one before. And then this one, I had hauled a black and white like this in the past, but this is a navy blue and like a pinkish beige. It's really pretty. I like it. And then this one just has stars. It's pink background and stars on it, and then it's kind of like a mottled little bit of cream every once in a while. I think it's really pretty. And then this one I hadn't seen before either. It looks like a tie-dye, and I love how that looks. You'll have to excuse my lighting today. We had another storm. But anyway, it's really cloudy, but this is really pretty. So I love that. And then I picked up some pumpkins. Now I didn't see these last year that I know of, so I went ahead. I love it. So it's like a cream with a little bit of orange on it, and then it just has that glitter on that scroll work. I thought that is beautiful. So I picked 2 of these up, and then I picked up one that has like the orange and the yellow on it, and some side has more yellow. Well, I guess it kind of has it dispersed, but it's really pretty, and they're just so glittery. So I got one of those. Then I picked up 4 chargers like this. This is a really pretty, like a gold, but it looks, it's not a real in-your-face gold. It's really pretty. I love it, but I have some ideas that I want to do with this. And I picked up, like I said, I think I said 4 of these. And then I picked up some picks. This one has, well, actually these 2 are just alike, but they have the pumpkin on it, and then they have these like little berries on it, and the little grasses and the leaves. I just think they're beautiful. Well, this one is a little different because it has different berries on it and more leaves, where this has the smaller berries. But I thought this would really be cute in something. And then I don't remember seeing these either. Maybe I just overlooked them, but I picked up 2 bunches of this in this bright orange. They're so vibrant, and it's eucalyptus. And it has almost like actually a lace detail right in here. I don't know if you can, I don't know if that's coming across, but that's like a lace detail, and then it has this, and I just think they're beautiful. We didn't have very many, so I picked up 2. I think that was all that we really had. And then I found some in this brownish color, like a burnt brown color. I love it. And it's the same thing, eucalyptus, and you can see, maybe you can, I don't know, you might be able to see the lace detail better on this one. But I just think these are so pretty. So that is all of my haul. It wasn't very big, like I said, but I am gathering, like I've said in the past, for my fall DIYs. So I just wanted to bring you what I found, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.